Hi guys, I just found a raft spider. Raft spiders are actually Ireland's largest spiders and can reach a length of 70 millimeters long. They can bite you, but it's only minor pain and slight swelling. They live in bogs, lakes and rivers, and on land as well, but you can find them on land and in the water. It's great if you get a pond in your garden because that will attract them as well. And you should do that, and it will attract lots of other wildlife. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.